I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When we touch is when I really come alive. Yeah.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share my Rustic Glam home office makeover. I hope you enjoy. So guys, you may remember my home office. This is what it currently looks like. So I decided that I wanted to give it a new lease of life. Now I know a lot of you will be saying, please Chelle, not the wallpaper, but it's been on my wall for over 5 years guys. So today I wanted to give it a crisp, clean look. So with the help of my amazing hubby, we decided first of all to paint over the blue walls. Now we are using Dulux Vivid White here guys. It is such a crisp clear white and I love it so much. Now this is the first coat, but we went in with 2 coats on the white walls. Now then I wanted to do a feature wall, obviously where the wallpaper was, but the easiest way to remove wallpaper guys is just put something straight over the top of it. So hubby and I went to Bunnings and again they cut up sheets for us of shiplap, which we just put straight over the wallpaper. Now we used some liquid nails as well as small nails to attach it to the wall. Now we used 2 of these sheets cut to size to the exact measurement of the wallpapered wall. Now I have to admit here guys, I was a little apprehensive here. I was like, oh, have I done the right thing putting it over the wallpaper? But just keep watching, you will see how happy I am in the end. So hubby then went in with a white undercoat for the first coat over the shiplap. Now here is where I got really excited. We decided to paint the shiplap wall in this beautiful blush pink that I've been using. Now guys, this is a colour match from a piece of home decor that I have, but I'll leave the formula for you down below. Hubby went in with 2 coats and I absolutely love how it came. Now guys, while it was drying, I decided that I would give my fur office chair a little makeover. I picked this up about 2 years ago from TK Maxx and I absolutely love it, but like all things that are fur related, they can get very, very dirty. So I'm going to show you a really handy little tip here on how you can bring your fur back to life. So what you're going to do is you're going to use some bleach and some dishwashing soap. Now what I did is I just took an old bottle, I filled 2 parts some bleach, 2 parts of the soap, as well as adding some water. You're going to take it outside. Now I recommend doing this on a very sunny day. What I did is I put some gloves on and I got an old brush. I brushed out the areas of the fur that I wanted to really stand out again. Now the chair overall wasn't in really bad condition, it was just in areas that needed attention. So off camera I brushed it all out, then I went in and poured it over the areas that were dirty, and then I rubbed it in with my hands.
Smell your hair for a second, just like I used to do, girl, what happened? In my dreams, all I see is the caption. Tried to run, but there's nowhere to go. Even in my sleep, I'm calling out your name, that I never wanted.
Now once it was all dried out, off camera I brought it inside and I actually went through it with the brush again using a hairdryer. I then went in and shopped my own home and put my dream home office together. Guys, I was so excited for this.
Sometimes I wish that I never met you. It's so hard, so damn hard to forget you. And no words could explain how I miss you. Girl, I do. I'm trying to keep up my hands. I don't admit I want you back. No matter what I say, still you know I do miss you.
Guys, my home office was definitely that room in my home that was the catch-all. Everything got put in here. I had really pretty decor, but it just wasn't functioning. I just felt that I wanted more clean lines and obviously be able to use this as a proper office, and I'm so happy with how I went ahead with this. It was very nerve-wracking, I must admit, because I didn't know if my vision was going to come to life in the way that I wanted it, but as soon as my hubby started painting that pink wall, I got into full Chelle mode where I was excited to decorate it, I was excited to put it together, and the best part of all, guys, is that I shopped my own home. The only thing we purchased was the paint and the paneling from Bunnings, and I'm so happy with how it came. Now, really inexpensive DIY, guys, to add some personal touches to your decor. I had this arch mirror. Now, if you have an arch mirror and you want to add a little bit of a French provincial touch, I recommend picking up these wooden appliques. They can be purchased at eBay or Amazon, and I'll leave them linked for you down below. And all I did here is attach them to the top of my existing arch mirror. Now, I even chose not to paint it. I really liked how it had that raw wood-like feel, and I feel it goes beautifully with the blush pink. Now, it's no secret, guys, that I absolutely love leopard print, and I think it goes so beautifully with blush pink. So that was my vision. I'm really loving all things French provincial with that really glam feel about it. Now, because I already had my beautiful chandelier in here, I knew I could combine the rustic element as well as the beautiful blush pink. I added some mirrors to give that real glam factor, and I really love my mirrored buffet. It's one of my favourite pieces in my home. Now, in the opposite corner, I chose to put this beautiful chair that I picked up a few weeks ago at Kmart. It's a fur-like chair, and I just think it is stunning. I actually purchased it for another area of my home, but as soon as I started decorating in here, I knew it would go perfect in my office. Now, on my windows, I kept my existing sheer curtains. I picked these up at TK Maxx last year, guys, and I love how they still have that glam factor about them.
Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could like the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it.
I was really excited with how my office chair came, guys. I was really happy with the result. I've got a few fake fur items throughout my home that I'm going to definitely try that on as well, because it really gave the chair a new lease of life. Now, I'm really loving using my 1825 Interiors hall table as an office desk. I like how I can move between the buffet and the desk and have two workstations. I feel like I can function so much better in this space.
I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried. 'Cause every day I'm with you, I'm flying over the clouds.
Now, one of my favourite pieces of decor in this room, guys, is my beautiful blush pink telephone. This was gifted to me by my beautiful friend Betsy Ann here on YouTube. She gave it to me a few years ago, and I treasure it so much. If you haven't already, please go check out and subscribe to Betsy Ann's channel. She has a heart of gold, guys. On my desk, I absolutely love having journals and notepads and planners. And this one, guys, is a Ray Dunn one that I picked up in 2020. So it is a 2020 planner, but I frankly never used it. Who did any planning in 2020, guys? But obviously I'll still use it for journaling and writing everything down and getting myself organized. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to redecorating your rustic glam home office. I'd so appreciate you giving me a big thumbs up, guys. It truly helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.